Hello Shopify users, welcome to another video. Today we will discuss about a popular app for upsells and cross sales. Most of users using email marketing for returning customers and buyers, but it's not very easy and profitable and useful. You can see Amazon thank you page and eBay thank you page, right? A thank you page 100% open rate. Thank you page is more powerful and more chance to get customers. So today we will show you the best app for upsells and thank you page for all Shopify users. It's Reconvert. Reconvert users will get revenue instantly. It's easy to use, just drag and drop. Using Reconvert, you can create thank you page, you can display a time-sensitive offer pop-up, capture customer's birthday, alternative reorder system, track orders, social media sharings. You can add customers purchase survey, display product recommendations, and you can add videos, images, texts, and etc. If you have created new store, don't worry, the app is free until you reach 50 orders a month. Okay, so let's see how to use it. So first open your Shopify admin panel and click apps. Then search Reconvert app. You can see the first page, the top of the page, the Reconvert upsell app. Just click on add app. Then install app. Now you can see the Reconvert admin panel, the template. So it is the template, and you can see here the thank you page, and here will show your customer's name, first name, and the left side area you can see two sections. Here's sections and general settings. In these sections here is available header, left area and right area, and so click sections and click header. Here you can see there is logo image, so select your store logo here, just click on it, and you can text your store name also here and change the color of the name. And here the alignment, center, left and right. You can add a link also here. Just text the name and select the URL and add link. Just after that click save. Okay, so now the left area, just click on the left area and click add sections. Here you can see the birthday collector widget. It's a just click add. This is a very attractive features from Reconvert. Here you can show, you can grab your customer's birthday and special moments. So here you can see the text and you can change the text and add images and the links from here, and date you can choose the date from here, and placeholder text, select your birthday. Here select your birthday, you can change the text also, and here the button's name, submit, and you can change the colors, buttons colors here, and here the thank you message, and here the error message text showing birthday is required. That's it. Just click on save, and you can just go back and click data, click birthday. You can you can see the data, birthday data from here. In this add section, you can add the discount features here. Just click on discount, click add. You can see the discount content will show here. You can change the text from here and the background colors also. You can add insert image, you can add images also. Just after your changes, just click on save. Here you can add an other feature, product recommendations. Product recommendations is very powerful features for engage shoppers to customers and increase average order value. Just click on add button. Here product to display, you can see the features will add here. This content, just you can see the left side area, product to display, Shopify recommendations. Here is 4 sections. Specific collections, just click on specific collections. You can add your collections from your Shopify stores. You can select Shopify recommendation, so they will choose automatically from your store. Add tags and the titles where people who bought this also bought. Here you can change the titles from here. Show product vendors and show the price in drop down. If you click on it, you can hide the price also. And the layout, you can show how many products you want to show in your row. How many row? 3, 2 and 1. You can add choice and a number or products. Change the color of arrows. You can add the discount code also. Pre-made and automatic. View and quantity. You can change the buttons colors also, and that's it. Just click on save. You can add product upsells systems. Just click on product upsells, click on add. Here you can see select product. You can choose anyone as your choice. Now I am showing specific product. So select product from your store. and you can display the alternative products also. Here's the option: display select product anyway, hide features product, display alternative products. You can choose a product from here. You can add product title, display product title above the image or below the image, display product descriptions, or you can hide the description also. Here display the quantity picker, enable variant options, and display the vendor. You can add as your wish. You can also change the colors, the prices, size, etc. The next is reorder. Just click on add. You can change the title from here, or you can add the text: buy one get one free, or reorder now and get something free, some product free and off. And you can add the discount percentage on fixed amount. You can add the discount name also the apply free shipping. Button text, you can change the button text. And you will get the another extra features also, like call to action button. You can add the action buttons, and collection list, you can show your collection list here. You can add the custom HTML, free texts, image with texts. You can add images and texts also, link list, post purchase service, and social follow buttons. You can add social media links and social sharing. You can also add the videos also. That's it. And the right area, just click on it, add sections. You will get the same things like left area. You can add as your choice from here. Just go to general setting. Here is the order tracking. Just click on it. You can add the tracking order systems, enable order tracking. You can add the buttons name, track orders, and you can change the button color and the button text, and also select the language also. After that, just save it. Here is another great feature, pop-up with timer. Here we can show your customers that you have just few products left. Buy it now before it sold out. It will help you to more sell. Okay, so just click on it. You can see enable pop-up. Just click on it. Here you can see the pop-up preview. Click on it. Here you can see your pop-up, what's the look like now. Here you can change the text, colors, and add images, and stores handle. You can add stores handle and open a new window. You can change the timer text color, timer background color, and discount codes. You can show others features. Just design as your choice. Product recommendation widget is valuable, and this widget can really get customers. Thank you page is the perfect page for upsell. So if you will use Reconvert app for your Shopify store, you will get benefits. It was our topic. If you need any kind of help and there was a problem getting somewhere, just comment us below. We will definitely help you to do this. If you like this video, hit the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.